Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering a Fresnel lens or a clear plastic magnifier and a phone with brightness at 100%. Once done, remove the phone case so the lens sits close to the screen. This increases magnification and reduces vignetting. Next, cut a cardboard base roughly 10-15 cm wide and mark a center line. Make sure to position the lens about 3-5 cm from the phone to test focal distance. This step sets the optical geometry, so later adjustments are small and precise. Now construct an adjustable mount using 2 folded cardboard supports glued or taped to the base. Attach the Fresnel lens in a removable frame so you can tilt and slide it. This lets you change the magnification and correct distortion. Once in place, prop the phone against a small stop so the screen is perpendicular to the lens. Then, gradually move the lens 0.5 cm at a time until text sharpness and field of view balance. Make sure to check edges for chromatic blur and adjust tilt accordingly. Finish by securing the lens and phone with tape or rubber bands, adding foam pads to prevent shaking. You should now test with different apps and fonts to confirm comfortable magnification and readability. If you still see blur, move the lens in 0.5 cm steps or slightly change the phone distance. Conversely, reduce tilt to fix edge distortion. One key troubleshooting tip: if glare or double images appear, add a small hood or shade and re-angle the lens until the image is clear and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.